What's the meaning of boar? Boar. Boar.
Boar. Boar. A boar is a male pig that has not been castrated. The term boar can also be used to refer to wild pigs, as well as the domesticated variety. Boars can be aggressive and difficult to handle, which is why they are often castrated at a young age to become more docile. When left uncastrated, boars can grow tusks and become territorial, making them dangerous to humans and other animals. In some cultures, boars are considered a symbol of strength and bravery, while in others they are hunted for sport or their meat. Overall, the meaning of boar varies depending on cultural and historical context.